back here on Starstruck 5 and you're still hanging out with us live to live here in SM City North EDSA. Now we've seen the boys share the concert stage with Kyla. Ngayon ang mga girls naman ang makikipagbiritan with the R&B princess. Kaya ng powers nila makipagsabayan kay Kyla. Let's all watch this.
Sinabit ka ng survivors na may mga kaduet silang mystery singer. At ang revelation nito, sa actual singing test na mangyayari. Nawala kaya ang concentration ng girls at ma-intimidate kay Kyla?
You look so dumb right now, standing outside my house. You're trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out. And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry, you get caught. But you put on what a show. It really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. It's over now. Go on and take a bow.
Take a bow, Sarah. Meanwhile, sasapian ni Miley Cyrus si Princess.
I hope you're playing at LAX with a dream we'll go out again. Welcome to the land of famous sex. Am I gonna fit in? Jump to the cab, here I am for the first time. Looking so right and see the Hollywood sign. It is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. I went to the hood and I could see too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi ends. Radio and the Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. And I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
Nakita nating ibinoto ni Kyla si Diva as her ultimate survivor. Si Diva, very vocal noon pa man na favorite niya na si Kyla. Ngayong sabay sila magper-perform on stage. Magbago kaya ang paghanga nila sa isa't isa?
Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. I'm not sure I remember how to. Gonna be late, but all my girls gonna have to wait. 'Cause I don't know if I like my outfit. Tried everything in my closet. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Stick with this dress and these Jimmy shoes. Taking them off 'cause I feel a fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'ma step out of this lingerie. Curl up in the ball with something haze. In bed I lay with nothing but your t-shirt on. With nothing but your t-shirt on.
Susubukan ni Rox kantahin ang hit song ni Taylor Swift na Love Story.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. A little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. I remember crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say it.
Here's Nina with her very own version of Katy Perry's Hot and Cold.
You change your mind like a girl changes clothes. Yeah, you be a mess like a bitch, I would know. And you overthink, always speak cryptically. I should know that you're the one for me. 'Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're lit, you're no, you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down. You're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white. We fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna stay, no. You don't really wanna go. Oh, you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no. You're in and you're out, you're up and you're down.
Sinong makakakuha ng high scores at sinong ibo-vote out ni Kyla? Abangan dito sa Starstruck 5.